Listen, when I cop, it's 4 doors. I'm too big for a coupe, nigga. What up? And when I go to war, I don't get shot, I can shoot niggas. And I don't trust a nigga far as I can throw him, even though I'm feeling strong enough, I'll probably get roof niggas. Yeah, your boy back in the booth, nigga. I'm off the weed, but I'm back on my juice, nigga. I beat the K-sauce off of the suits, back to fatigues, black tees and Timberland boots, nigga. The year's new. I want my spot back, take 2. Matter of fact, take the whole clip. Who you know can fly by 05 and 06? When they see that new V, the dope boys go crazy. Oh yeah, I still fuck with State P, still fuck with Dame Dash, still fuck with Jay-Z. Still, real still recognize real, I still feel it in the air, I still killing Will here. Ill. Now first Pac got. The big clock stopped. There's something going on with the rock. I'm hearing shit about a breakup, the shit people make up. I'm like, damn, I'm gonna stop. Jay and Dame ain't speaking, Game of 50 Cent beefing, and C's got Lil Kim knocked. I'm hearing all this from the jail while I'm sitting in my cell and I'm waiting on some love from the pop. Guess who Miz at? It's your boy Beat Miz at. I'm in a booth with a noose here to hang up all that bullshit about the breakup, my lockup, Willie's niggas makeup, Willie soda rock. Get off my balls, lift my cock up. I see I'm still a topic of the Nelson line gossip. Let me clear my voice so y'all can understand this. I'm only here by choice.